everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Mana Vardhan Terrace by Mana Projects located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel, that is the actual site of the project. So let me show you the surrounding of the project. So here just behind me, just behind this banner is the land parcel where the construction work has been started. Now about the marketing office. So the marketing office is right over here, which is getting ready. And the model flight will be coming up there itself. Now this will be the main entrance of our project, and on my right hand side is the temporary marketing office. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview via this beautiful 3D model. And the project is spread across 8.67 acre of land parcel, consisting of total 4 residential tower, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 19 floor, offering you purely 3 BHK premium residencies with maximum of open space in the project. Now let's discuss about the location part, and project is located in Doddakanenalli, Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. So basically they will be coming up with the main entrance right over here. And this is the Doddakanenalli road, and this road will connect you towards Sarjapur Marathali road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to D-Mart in just 800 meters. Decathlon is 1.4 kilometers away, and Manipal Hospital, which is 5.9 kilometers away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project offers you 90 plus world class amenities. Yes, it's 90 plus. So here you get a grand basketball court, sit out area, man-made lake, a grand clubhouse, kids play area and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you 3 BHK premium residencies with sizes starting from 1910 square feet and goes up to 2850 square feet super built-up area with 100% Vastu compliant, no common walls and double XL balconies. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model apartment once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Mana Vardhan Terraces by Mana Projects located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.